are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, carpeted front and rear floor mats, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, power moonroof, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.